Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, hold the power button, and from the boot options that will show up, you want to hold, or not hold, but select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. And when you see the BLACKVIEW logo on the display, you want to immediately let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. There we go. So I did already let go of the power button, as you can see right here. In a moment when we see the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. There we go. So in this mode, you will then need to use volume buttons, either up or down, to navigate up or down. And with that in mind, we're going to start scrolling down in order to select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, use power button to confirm it and select yes. Confirm it that. And you can see it finishes up pretty quickly with the reboot system now being selected by default once it's finished. So we're going to press power button to initiate that reboot, which will now take us back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.